हेलो गाइज गुड इवनिंग ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି so in this video we are going to discuss the importance of English. So why nowadays everywhere in the social media, YouTube, everywhere we are saying that only English, why not any other languages? Yes or no? One thing I would like to say that whenever the British were ruling to India at that time, they ruled India, and whenever they went or escaped at that time, they took everything from India, but they left one thing, that is English. And nowadays, even if you go to any office, if you go to any school, college, and they do not tell you to write the application or to communicate in Odia or any regional language. So all the people they speak to write in English only. Even though if you go to any bank or if you go to any school to issue the certificates or to open the bank account or saving account, then they tell you to write in English only. Yes or no? And nowadays, directly or indirectly, all the people, even the old people, then young people, small kids, all are speaking English. How? Because we are hearing now bike it is not a Odia or a Hindi word, it is an English word. Yes or no? So in this way, even the grandmother, whenever you go to school, at that time your grandmother will not say that any in the original language that take this. She will tell that bag, she will take that tiffin, lunch box, shoes. Yes or no? And dear friends, whenever you are going for a job, either you are studying, suppose we will take one example that you are a 10th class student, and what is the thing that you are studying, and soon after your completion of your study you go for the college studies or the higher studies, then also you have to speak in English only. Yes or no? Because most of the college lecturers they speak in English to make you understand or to maintain the reputation of themselves. Understood? Okay. And if you go to any part of the world, English is spoken. If you come to any part of the India even though they speak in English. And let's take one example to explain you the value of English, that if you come to Odisha, the people they speak in Odia language. If you come to south, they speak in their regional languages, like Andhra Pradesh they speak in Telugu, Tamil Nadu they speak in Tamil language, and if you go to Kerala they speak Malayalam, if you go to Karnataka they speak in Kannada. Yes or no? So dear friends, if you go to north, the people they speak in Hindi, and whenever you come to south, they speak in their regional languages. So, and if you come to south, the people of the south, they are poor in speaking Hindi, and if you go to north, they are very poor in speaking in this languages, regional languages. So even though in India most of the people they speak Hindi also, but as I told you, if you come to South India, then if you speak in Hindi, very less people understand. If you go to north and if you speak this regional language, very less people understand. So whenever the Hindi fails to connect us, means let's take one example of the north people to one south people. Whenever they communicate, at that time they do not able to communicate because of the barriers of the language, and at that time only one substitute is there, that is English. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder, if you are doing a job, or if you are doing any profession, or if you are going to outside to work also, if you know English, you know everything. And English is this type of language, international language, that is spoken in the whole over the world. Word English I am speaking, the same English is spoken all over the world, maybe pronunciation little different, but everything is same only. Understood? So it is the importance of English. So everybody, those are the students, those are job holders, everybody must learn English. And after your completion of the studying, if you go to any institute for the seeking of the job or the searching of the job, first they will see the communication skill in English. If you are good in English, then they will say okay for the job. But if you are not good for that, if you are not good in communication skill, they may not agree to take you. So it is the value of the English, and I'm going the surety that if you continuously stayed with me, or if you continuously watch my videos only for the 10 days, I'll make you zero to hero. It is my words. I'm giving you surety that I'll make you sure good. You are going to speak the fluent and good English. And I'm going to teach you the good pronunciations. If you come to Odisha, most of the people little bit because we have been habituated to speak, so we most of the time we sound the sound. If you come to the South India, they also people something they little bit sound it. So I'm going to teach you all the good pronunciations with good English. So stay focusedly, stay continuously, watch my videos continuously, and I'm going to help you a lot. And if you have liked video, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and put the or to touch the bell, touch the like button, so that will motivate to make the good videos for you. आशा करुँची आपण मानक भल लगी जदि भल लगी दयाकोरी आपण सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करने को भूलिबा नहीं। आ मुझे इंग्लिश कहली जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन कहली आपण मानक मध्य ताठ बेटर कहबी, बिकॉज इट्स माय फर्स्ट वीडियो, एटा मोर प्रथम वीडियो, तो लिटिल बिट आपण को मे भी भल न लगी पारे, बट प्लीज इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट स्टे कंटिन्यूअसली or watch my videos continuously. It will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video and to coming to my channel.